Hi there, my name is Anashia Albert and my student number is 205013. In this essay, I discuss the importance of teaching history in a diverse classroom setting using three order concepts: time and chronology, heritage, and multi-perspectives. The study of history can help learners identify the value and STEAM and also help them to make the necessary value decision based on a thoughtful and fair approach. In the South African education system, we have seen a significant change since 1994, and the integration of these changes into the curriculum is growing because of the information and technology evolving every day. Time and chronology refers to the events in order of which they happened. This can help the learners to make sense of the past and see how it has shaped the present. By interpreting the data present on timelines according to how they occurred, learners are able to recognize the historical changes and events in which they happened. Some activities in the classroom could be talking to students about important events in history and how they relate to the present day. For example, why do we celebrate Youth Day and why is it so important to us South Africans? Another example could be about learners learning about the national flag. By creating their own flag, they are able to understand the significance and representation of each color of the flag and its importance. Heritage exposes students to historical events from the past and the present. It is important for teachers to teach heritage that is inclusive and respectful. Learners learn about each other's heritage and share experiences with their classmates about food, clothes, language, and special events that take place in their culture. Teachers can also discuss religious days and special days according to the CAPS document, such as Heritage Day, where learners can come in their traditional attire and speak about their heritage and special occasions in the classroom. Teaching history through multi-perspectivity can help learners understand how people of the past were influenced by their position in society. For example, a white person's view might be different from an Indian, colored, or black person when discussing about apartheid. Multi-perspectivity can mean having many different viewpoints to understand history. A good activity for this in the classroom could be a role play where learners play and act out different roles. When teaching history to students in foundation phase, this can be quite challenging as learners are still working on their capacity for critical thinking. A lot of these learners still have the go with what my friend thinks, and some do not have their own opinion. Teachers can teach the learners to respect each other's opinions and views and tell them that it is okay to have a different opinion from their friends and peers. Teachers can motivate learners to think critically and learn a broader perspective of history through teaching multi-perspectivity and show them that each person's views can be different. These are just a few ideas on how to teach history, time and chronology, heritage, and multi-perspectivity in the foundation classrooms. I think that teaching history in foundation-based classrooms is important for exposing learners to a variety of different cultures and heritage. This helps them develop a different perspective of the modern world and of the past in history. By teaching history in a diverse classroom setting, you can include these concepts into their learning, and as teachers, you can help the students to develop a deeper understanding and meaning of the world around them. Thank you.